Good morning back community. Justin here with our 1993 Porsche 928 GTS 5-speed. This is the controversial Amazon green. Some would call it blue. I'm going to show it to you in lots of different light and maybe you can make the judgment for yourself. Really a nice car, a rare car. A car that the owner has spared no expense making right. Please look at the receipts for his motor rebuild. He had the best in the business do it, and the car's worth doing that for. Condition of the car is good to better than good. I would also call it driver quality. As we've mentioned in the comments, it's had paintwork over the years. We sprayed the nose of the car to make it look as good as it can, but it has not been restored or completely refurbished in any way. The guy that did the work is a known craftsman and the only person we use for jobs of this caliber, and it did turn out excellent. There are no obvious changes in color when you go around the car and look at it. It blends extremely well. As far as the inside of the car is concerned, it's a great shape too. Seats look great. Leather's soft and supple. That dog leg is great. We put a new radio in the car. This is the updated Continental that looks so well in these. I mean, I love the wings. These are just an awesome car. Very fast too. A ton of power. Feels like a European hot rod Porsche. There's nothing like a V8, and the torque and the power is just unbelievable in this car. So I'm gonna get it out of here. I'm going to get it in the daylight. I'll do another one of these walkarounds. I'll also drive the car and give you my impressions of it, my fresh impressions. I have driven this car quite a bit and I know it well, so I'm excited to get to spend the morning with it. But I'll do another walk around then. Oh, the red calipers are great. New tires, guys. It's just ready to go. It's ready to go and be driven. And that's what I'm gonna do right now is go drive this car. So I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. And you know, our auction ends in just a couple days. So I look forward to the end, and we are here to answer any questions if you have them. So ask them and we'll get to them. All right, guys, thanks again. Hello again, guys. Justin again from the Avant-Garde Collection. I got our 1993 Porsche 928 GTS out on the open roads on a beautiful summer's day. I could not be more impressed or happy with my job at this point. Very fun car, very fun day. Cruising along country roads and chasing choo-choo trains and along rivers, and wow, I can't imagine a better car to be in. Impressions: cold blowing air, track straight. We got the alignment completely dead straight in this car. It holds true even under hard braking. Just a pleasure. All the gears selections are simple. The clutch operates smoothly. The brakes are pulse free. I mean, I could go on and on. The suspension is tight. Just a glorious driving car. I know why these are so desired. It's just a European muscle car and then some. Nothing quite like this setup. So if you're looking for one, this is one of very few that you could own. They only made a handful of these cars, and this is one. So if you're in the market, I can't imagine finding a cooler driver than this. So I'll go do some more driving and post these videos. Our auction ends in just a few days. If you have questions, please ask them in the comments and we'll do our best to get to them. We'll also be happy to shoot more pictures or take other videos or whatever would help you feel more confident. That's what we're here for, guys. That and the passion of these cars. All right, take care.